Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Life on the Green, which is located in Bidaraguppe, South Bangalore, a project developed by Soparnika Group. And today we'll be doing a project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So this is the main entrance of Life on the Green. And once you enter here is the land parcel and on the right hand side is the marketing office of the project. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project is spread across 8.2 acres of land parcel consisting of total 125 villas. Only 15 villas are available for now. All the villas are 5 BHK villas rising up to 2 floors. And the main USP of the project will be land registration concept. So the land will be registered on your name. Now let's discuss about the location of the project. So the project is located in Bidaraguppe near Attibele Sarjapur Road in South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Bidaraguppe Road and this road will connect you towards Attibele Sarjapur Road in just few minutes. And now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Harvest International School in 3 minutes. Bomisandra Metro Station is 15 minutes away. Sarjapur Town Hospital is again 15 minutes away. Kaveri Hospital in 25 minutes. RGA Tech Park you can even connect in 25 minutes from the location of the project. Now let's talk about the amenities part, and the project will provide you world-class amenities like of yours the clubhouse, outdoor games like amphitheater, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, basketball court, football ground, landscape garden and many more amenities. Now let's talk about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 5 BHK premium villas. So 5 BHK premium villas here is starting from 2141 to 3113 square feet super built-up area. And now let's discuss about the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit this site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model villa and the actual villa as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. I have mentioned only few inventories are available in this project. So hurry up guys. So everyone, this was a project overview of Life on the Green, which is located in Bidaraguppe near Sarjapur in South Bangalore, a project developed by Soparnika Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.